Once you've found the right freelance platform for you, you need to do two things: create a high-quality profile and secure clients. Creating a profile. A freelance profile allows potential clients to learn about you and view your portfolio in one place. Think of it as a more detailed version of a CV and cover letter. Your profile will be formatted in different ways depending on which platform you use, but the two key elements are a description of your skills and a strong portfolio. Most freelance platforms will have beginner guides that help you to create a solid profile. While these are a great place to start, make sure to add something extra that's unique to you. Check out the top freelancers' profiles on the site you're using, then compare them to less successful profiles. What are the differences? A lot of the time, it's personality. As a freelancer, you're marketing yourself, so don't be afraid to show who you are. List your experience, your work preferences, and what you hope to get out of being a freelancer. Feel free to add a short description of yourself and include a bit of humor. Clients hiring freelancers want someone they can communicate with, so adding a personal touch will make you seem more approachable and easy to work with. Depending on your profession, your portfolio might be varied or specific. For example, a graphic designer's portfolio might include website layouts, logos, and print content, but a software developer's portfolio might only include Python projects. What you include in your portfolio shows clients what you're interested in working on. Don't include examples of work if you don't intend to do that work again. If you want varied projects, include varied work. If you want to focus on a niche area, only include samples of that area. A common mistake for beginners is to include a sample from every project they've ever done. While this does show you've done a lot, a prospective client won't want to scroll through a long list to find something relevant to their project. Choose a dozen or so of your best pieces from the last 2 years. Don't include content older than this unless it is exceptional. As you secure work, change out some of those older pieces if you create something better. You can build up your portfolio as your freelance career grows, but it's best to start small. Securing clients. It's that age-old adage: you need experience to get a job and a job to get experience. Most clients look for experienced freelancers who they feel they can trust to complete the project, so it can be difficult to secure your first few jobs and build a name for yourself. The best way to do this is to charge a low amount. Unless you have some money saved, don't quit your day job as soon as you begin freelancing. With a low rate, you will be able to secure those first few jobs and get positive reviews on your profile. It will probably take a few months to build up enough work so you can charge a rate you're happy with. Once you're doing enough work at a high enough rate that you can support yourself, you can move into full-time freelancing. Freelancing can be financially unstable, as how much money you make completely depends on the amount of work you do from week to week. The best way to stabilize your income is to build relationships with a select number of clients and work with them as often as possible. Writers might produce monthly content for a website, or marketing analysts might work with a company every quarter. Whatever area you work in, identifying sources of recurring work is the key to a steady income. Conclusion. After reading this book, you should know what freelancing is, what kind of freelancer you can become, and how to do it. If not, go back and start again. Freelancing is a uniquely rewarding career path, but you need to have initiative and determination in order to succeed at it. Find your niche, choose your marketplace, and build your brand. It might not be as glamorous as you dreamed, but starting small will help you to grow your freelance career into something amazing. Working as a freelancer means you're your own boss. This has the obvious perks of creating your own schedule and choosing what you work on, but it also means that you need to be strict with yourself. Reevaluate your profile every so often, update your portfolio, and examine the direction of your career. It's a bit of extra work, but definitely worth it.